folks. It's Gunawag Utah's Garage and Workshop, where mostly I'm a tool channel right now because I haven't done much, but I am doing stuff. I have you note that I just made a video with this thing, fixing a welding vise. It's almost ready to go. I also made a video which came out a little sloppy, but I dialed in the milling machine vise, so it's nice and actually it's straight across. I had to actually, it was weird. I actually had to the dial kept freaking out because it was picking up all the I don't know what's on the device. Looks like it's half rust, half cleaning fluid. So I might have to clean it off. But it was like going nuts, going crazy. And I finally got it, so I just moved a little dial. Took me a while to get the camera all straight and shit. So that's coming. I'm gonna re-vapor rust mock up the whole Wilton vise. How to get some Loctite because I'm gonna make some pins, and I'm gonna get some what is it? Some primer. I gotta get some primer. I gotta pick a color, and I'm gonna do probably re-vapor rust the base, clean it off real good, tape it up, paint the base first. I'm gonna weld the body part of it. So that's coming. I can't finish the bench yet because the bench is waiting for the bottom pieces. So that's gonna be another at least 2 weeks where I get those parts. And after that, I'm also in the meantime gonna work on the bench piece of wood. I'm gonna sand it some more, get it down to bare wood, and try not to touch it with greasy hands. Get that done. I got some welding on that. I also have this little vise I gotta make jaws for. So I have some little pieces of brass. I don't know if I'm using the Wilton or that one, but I got lots of aluminum, so I might use the aluminum on the Wilton. It looks okay. Or I got some metal chunks or somewhere I can machine off and put on there, but not a big deal. And what else? That's done. This Wilton's gonna get done. The other one I should just cut the head off and re-weld it, or part it out as scrap. Oh, and I gotta make some stuff on the milling on the lathe. I also gotta pick up a piece of 18 gauge. I don't know where my sheet metal gauge is. It's around here somewhere. I think I lost it. Can't find my sheet metal gauge. I'm gonna start making chair tops for these bar stools. I got 4 of them here, half done. I want to get those out of here soon. Got the rivets for them, and along with the bench I'm making, I ordered the bottom pieces for the chairs, the little weld-on cups. You put the little rubber thing. It's like 70 cents for the little cups, and like I don't know, like 55 cents for the little inserts. So I'll have nice feet for those. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. And also to the 488 subscribers, you're absolutely awesome. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Don't sneeze. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for not sneezing on camera. It's awesome. Like I said, I never thought I'd get past 20 subscribers. Thought I'd have to make 1,000 accounts for myself, which I wouldn't do anyway. It's stupid. All these people like buying accounts. Like, what are you, idiots? Like, oh yeah, I need subscribers. Can I buy like 20 accounts or 100 accounts for so many rupees? I'm like, whatever. It's like, what's the point of having 20 million subscribers if nobody watches your channel? Not that I'm saying I'm that popular, but so that's gonna get done. And that's pretty much it. Start working on some stuff. It's late right now. I had vertigo a couple days ago. I was like, whoa. I think it's vertigo. I was like dizzy as hell. Happens about once a year. Something wrong with my ears. Yeah. So stay tuned and keep watching. Also, before I go, there's a ton of tool review videos up all the way up to I think November. I just keep putting tool review one after another. And on top, like I've said before, on top of that, if you're still here, on top of the tool review videos, there'll be work videos. So if it's nothing, if I don't have a video of me working, it'll be a tool review and me working. There's a lot of videos out there. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy.